Nikon has released two new cameras, the ZF and Z8, which have significantly influenced the high-end and premium camera markets. But what about newcomers who seek a more cost-effective camera to get started with? There's positive news on the horizon. Nikon is seriously considering launching full-frame cameras that are even more affordable than the Nikon Z5, potentially called the Nikon Z4. So, what features will it offer? And how budget-friendly will it be? Let's explore the details, but if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell icon for more tech content. Nikon plans to omit the EVF from this compact full-frame mirrorless camera to reduce production costs based on the design and patent information. It appears that this camera will compete with the original Sony A7C, and its price range suggests that it may replace the Nikon Z5. The Z5, introduced as an entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera about 3 years ago in 2020, featured a 24.32-megapixel CMOS sensor in the FX format and an XPEED 6 image processor. This speculation arises from an earlier Nikon patent that featured a camera design lacking an electronic viewfinder (EVF) and having minimal physical controls. With a maximum ISO sensitivity of 51,200, it produced clear, low-noise images. Moreover, the Z5 camera offered several notable features, such as in-camera VR vibration reduction that stabilized the shutter speed, providing approximately 5 stops of stabilization. The camera also boasted an extensive 273-point composite autofocus AF system covering a wide frame range, including eye detection AF for both humans and animal detection AF for dogs and cats. Given these specifications, the Z5 was unmatched in its category, which is why Nikon aims to replicate that success in the budget segment. Historically, Nikon hasn't focused on high frame rates, but that's changing with this groundbreaking camera featuring an advanced stacked CMOS image sensor, touted by Nikon as having the world's highest levels of sensor performance. In other news, Nikon is exploring new possibilities in high frame rates with the introduction of a remarkable 4K camera capable of capturing up to 1,000 frames per second FPS. This sensor employs cutting-edge wafer-level wire connection technology and boasts a pixel size of 2.7 micrometers, which is quite impressive, with a pixel count of approximately 17.8 megapixels. This sensor enables high-resolution 4K imaging at an outstanding 1000 FPS, along with an exceptional dynamic range of 110 decibels. It's important to note that this camera is primarily intended for industrial applications rather than consumer use at this point. But there's hope that similar technology may eventually make its way into consumer-grade models, following the path set by Panasonic and Sony. While some eagerly await another addition to the Z series, others argue that the existing Z5 already serves the market segment below the Z6 or Z7 effectively. Current indication suggests that this new camera will likely occupy a lower position in Nikon's lineup compared to the Z5 model. Typically, it takes about 2 to 3 years for a patent to materialize into an actual product. A patent related to the Nikon Z4 was filed in 2021. So we may expect to see the Nikon Z4 by next year. The initial price of the Z5 was $1,399, and rumors suggest that the Z4 will fall within a similar price range. There are very few reliable cameras priced below $1,500, with the Canon EOS R8, Fujifilm X-S20, and Sony A6600 being a few options. If you're in urgent need of a budget camera, you may consider one of these options. However, if you can wait a few more months, the Nikon Z4 could be a worthwhile choice. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Nikon Z4? Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and consider subscribing for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching.